Your next car could be the 2019 Ford Transit. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 110,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a Ford Transit, the passenger and cargo carrier that's adaptable to meet your unique needs. Whether you're looking for a family hauler, custom conversion van, or commuter shuttle, this flexible wagon has the modern safety features, stability, comfort, and convenience features to do the job right. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, third row seat, traction control, power windows, cruise control, AM/FM stereo, steel wheels, power door locks, power steering. Customized comfort blends perfectly with cargo capacity in this sleek Transit. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.